Hey there, team. Happy Friday. TGIF for sure. Today is January 19th, 2024. Welcome to the new year again. My name is Phil Goff. For those of you that don't know, I am a loan officer in the state of Texas. And this is something we do every week where we just take a look at the market, what the rates are doing, and just some overall things. We are from the DFW area, so some of it tends to be for that. But for those of you watching, welcome. Let's go ahead and share some screenshots here and get going into what we're here for. This is my information. Obviously, I do have a YouTube channel where we keep these videos and other helpful information if you'd like to visit. So we use Mortgage News Daily pretty much on the regular as a place to see what the average rate is. You can see it's up a little bit. Last time we met, it was around 6.75. So the 30-year fix is up a little bit. FHA and VA seem to be in a holding pattern. You can see the chart here from MBS Highways, who we use for this. Red is bad. We're seeing a little bit of a decline here kind of over the last week. But really, things are kind of holding steady. Hopefully, we see some positive movement. The reason I think we're seeing a little bit of the decline is because the inflation report for December was a little higher than people expected. However, the market seems to be treating it okay. It didn't cause a massive drop. So everyone seems to be on the regular here. So we are still expecting to see the Fed to cut interest rates, but as noted, it's the inflation report is a little higher than we thought, maybe because of Christmas. I'm not exactly sure. It didn't really hurt the market too much. You can see though, one thing they're showing is, man, this right here, this incline was within a 16-month period. So over 16 months, we saw just a massive increase in the federal funds target rate. The yellow line is what they're expecting to happen now. So that is projected. And so they're still thinking that the Fed is going to be dropping rates, but some of the economists do believe that it'll be a slower, maybe not so fast as we're thinking. We'll see. I've heard as many as six rate drops being thrown around over the next year, but we'll have to wait and see how that goes. This is in the area of people worrying about a housing bubble, a pop. Realtors, I know it's something to be kind of concerned with on occasion if home buyers bring it up. The deal here is this company, this Business Insider person, this housing expert, nailed the home prices climb, the appreciation last year, is saying that nationwide the appreciation should be 7%. So we know in our area it's probably likely to be higher than the norm, just because we have so many people moving here. It's just kind of a hotbed for what's going on there. But it's good to know that at the very base, the expectation is going to be 7%, which is pretty good. I think we've talked about 8% before. 8% of 300,000, I think, is 24,000. So I mean, it's pretty good incline. And if you ever want to look at these, you can go down here. We do post the HTMLs just so you can see where I'm getting my information from. Another thing that is interesting, and I liken this to telling realtors and clients the same. It's important not to just go looking at houses without having talked to someone in lending and having looked at credit. We are seeing a larger amount of delinquencies in credit cards here as we end the year. It rose during the third quarter. I don't know what it's doing during the fourth quarter. These things always have a lag. But it is something that's important because you don't want to be wasting your time. We don't want to waste the client's time either. Only way you can really know this is by running the credit, seeing what's going on. I guarantee the client knows, but they're not likely probably to tell you unless it gets asked. So that's kind of an important plug to work as a team together. Let me help you save time and let me be the bad guy, right? Another relocation to Texas. Apple, it's only 121 people, but Apple is effectively saying that they're going to close down shop for 121 employees in San Diego. They're looking to relocate probably to Austin. They're offering to keep all the employees that are willing to relocate. So it's just more information of these big companies that are leaving California's and New York's and some of these places that are coming to Florida's and Texas in particular. So Austin's not necessarily in our market, but hey, welcome Apple. That's about it for this week. So keep it quick and keep it light. Again, that was my information if you need to get a hold of me. It is going into the weekend. It's cold. It's going to be rainy all next week, but I will still be working. So will you, I'm sure. So please give me a call if you need anything. Me and my team will be here for you. Pre-quals, anything, questions, even if they're not my client, just have some random question. I'm here willing to help you and your clients along the way. So I appreciate it and have a great weekend.